Oh my gosh, giant. Look at that.
Holy cow.
Oh, oh, I just saw another fish.
Probably break out like a little FinnTek right here. Probably catch him.
Is that your bait, Landon?
That was my bait.
Oh, okay. Whoops. I'm about to fish it fast.
Oh my
gosh. Those are big too.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh my gosh.
He's on.
Yes, sir.
God. It's a big one.
He's like got like 6 with him too.
Oh my gosh,
Robert. He's only got 1 hook in him. Come on. That might be a double digit.
Oh no, it ain't that big.
Gosh. Dude. Oh my God, Robert. That thing's huge.
Cast back out there, see if you can find him.
Dude. I may have to get a white one.
Oh my gosh.
Robert, he's still right over here. I'm about to double up on 6 pounders with you.
Holy cow.